Hello everyone, welcome back to Pet Labs. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best dog crates. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the iCrate folding metal dog crate. The iCrate is currently one of the most trusted dog crates, way to its easy, durable, and at ease design. Its big size model comes with a divider panel for added versatility, in particular in case you intend to use it for crate education. The double doorways can be secured with splendid difficult slide-hold latches, making sure optimal security. It can't scratch your floor, too, as its feet include rubber rollers. The iCrate is foldable for ease of transportation and garage. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the folding metal dog crate by Amazon Basics. It's safe and secure, strong and durable, and reasonably priced, too. That's what the Amazon Basics folding metallic canine crate is. It consists of a detachable plastic pan plus mini dividers on the lowest perimeter to prevent slipping of your puppy's paws through the bars. Its robust construction should see it lasting a long term. At number 3, we have the Petmat 2-door TopLoad dog crate. Designed as a domestic dog crate, although small canine breeds will even match flawlessly, the Petmat top-loading kennel is the right answer for preserving your puppy safe, comfy, and calm on the pass. The canine crate's top-loading layout permits for less difficult admission to your puppy, whilst its ergonomic deliver cope with ensures greater comfortable grip at the same time as journeying. It combines the outstanding characteristics of metallic and plastic in a single nifty bundle. At number 2, we have the 3-door folding soft dog crate. If absolute consolation is what you're after, then Elite Field's folding soft dog crate must be for your list. The spacious indoors of the Elite Field makes it best for dog boarding, presenting mutts with pricey lodging entire with fleece bed, washable cowl, and mesh panels for max airflow. It can be product of material, however you can bet its 600 denier material cloth is strong sufficient to resist scratching out of your pet. And finally, at number 1, we have the Paws dog crate by OxGord. This heavy responsibility dog crate from OxGord follows the everyday layout of conventional metal wire dog crates. What is pretty splendid about the Paws is that it comes with a divider which aids in crate training doggies. It is also foldable, taking into account clean garage and even transportation. It saves valuable area both at home or on your car. The frame is constructed of heavy obligation steel, giving it tremendous durability and electricity. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this dog crates, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.